Today, Governor Cuomo addressed accusations that his administration hid the number of nursing home deaths related to COVID-19. State lawmakers called for investigations after an aide to Cuomo admitted holding back the information for several months. Kayla Green joining us live now. Kayla, the governor is under fire from both sides of the political aisle on this. What did he have to say today?
Maureen, the governor says while there was a delay in reporting some of the more additional information aside from the number of deaths to the public and to the press, he says that those death numbers have always been reported publicly and accurately. Governor Cuomo says back in August, the Department of Justice requested information about public nursing homes.
New York State Legislature also sent a letter asking for information on nursing homes. We paused the state legislators' request while we were finishing the DOJ request. We told both houses, the Assembly and the Senate, that we had DOJ requests for information and we were prioritizing that.
He says the Department of Health received another letter in October from the DOJ requesting information on private nursing homes. He says the state has been providing that information as recently as January 8th. Cuomo also addressed the moving of people from hospitals back to nursing homes back in March. He says the CDC put out this guidance and the state DOH followed it. He says at the time, hospital capacity was a concern. Cuomo also says 98% of the nursing homes that took in a patient from the hospital already had COVID in their facility.
COVID did not get into the nursing homes by people coming from hospitals. COVID got into the nursing homes by staff walking into the nursing home when we didn't even know we had COVID.
Cuomo says he wants people to know everything was done correctly, but says he accepts responsibility for not providing information faster.
People did request information beyond the place of death. There was a delay in providing the press and the public all that additional information.
Cuomo says he will be proposing reform for nursing homes and hospitals with an emphasis on for-profit nursing homes. He says these proposals will be included in his 30-day amendment to the state budget. Live in Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.
All right, Kayla, thank you. Democratic leaders in the state legislature are reportedly drafting a bill now to strip Governor Cuomo of his executive powers related to the pandemic, and that's a direct response to his failure to provide lawmakers with the information they requested on nursing home deaths at the time they requested it. Meantime, Senate Republican leader Rob Ortt, a huge critic of Cuomo, says Senate Republicans were never told about the DOJ request, and he calls for DOJ and Attorney General investigations. He released this statement today saying, quote, "The governor's major excuse for the failure of his administration to provide accurate, timely information was we were busy. This is a pathetic response coming from a man who had the time to publish and promote a book about his pandemic response while New Yorkers clamored for the truth."